Um, and yeah, so we got this going for us. We're down pretty bad. I do have a few couple ideas. So this is my all-time portfolio. Pretty not good. Not good, not gonna lie. So I was building it back up, and I got kind of a strategy that I came up with, and that's kind of why I'm streaming this, just so I can look back on it. But so what I'm looking for my strategy is stocks that are overall down, because usually options, when the price is shooting up, like here, look at this. This could be a good opportunity here. Tesla's down, and I'm actually going to cancel this call because we really don't know where it's going to start out at. Hold on. That was just the other day. I was just messing around. I had a couple. I'll cancel this order, but because, all right, so my price that I'm looking for Tesla, because they have that $1 trillion pay package coming up, and if this goes down today, that would be good. But here's the thing: it's like most of the time it was up pre-market, so this could just be just bad pre-market. Can come back up definitely, but if it doesn't, and I was hoping that people like the bulls or the whales, they would short the stock, so that way when that pay package gets confirmed, like this stuff, like that isn't even a true value. See how it's saying 2000, like you ain't making your money back on that. That isn't profit. For you to even be like making money, that's like let me think here. You would want that to be at least $16 for you to even have a chance to make your money back. So like, dude, I'm that's not worth it to me. I would not buy that. But if Tesla continues to go down like with this pre-market, that could be a potential buy. But I've also been looking at Palantir, and I remember like people talking about shorting it and whatnot. It's been shorted. That's where it's at right now. It's down, but it has actually a pretty good chance, I think, to recover. And I was thinking about doing that, so I'll show you guys this real quick. Palantir. And I'm gonna go off live too, guys. Until the market actually opens. This is kind of like the pre-live. Just want to find it right here. I gotta get my stuff together. Hold on. Alrighty. Okay. Well, I think you guys seen that. Okay. That's all good though. Pre-market. Okay, so it's about breaking even. What I'm thinking here is this resistance right here. This would probably where people would set their stop loss, is between this and this gain right here. Obviously, it's down right now. But see, this is kind of where it's like the foundation base. And what I was trying to do, what I just had my order to, was $700 for that. Because if you look, right, looks, past week it's down 6%, but look, it's remaining, like, you know what I mean? Like, obviously, probably like a little, or like kind of up a little bit from what it should be, but like it can definitely maintain, a little high, like at least 1-2% than what it's at. And also, quarter three earnings was actually higher, and they're still like high, like they beat earnings. Obviously, I didn't mean that they're going crazy or anything, but they beat earnings. So I mean, yeah, it's being 3%. I mean, it's still not terrible, but I think this is a good possible short opportunity, just because if you look at here, hold on, let's enter. It's it's that right there, and then 6%. So what I'm thinking, either I got two options. So what I'm thinking is for this, I'm gonna probably buy it at 3 p.m. Like right before the market closes, because like it's starting this, like I can kind of see it's coming back, it's recovering, and I honestly have a feeling that it's going to recover. And just because like the option that I was trading is like it's not even like a quick thing. It's like a long-term option. It's not like it's gonna go away right away. I got time for it to make money back, and I was going for this one right here, $200. I've been on my watch list, but it really wouldn't even have to go up much for me to make money. This is like, hold up, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys some speculation. All right, we got our watch list right here. So right now, that's pre-market. Obviously, it's probably gonna come in a little. It's gonna probably come in a little higher than that. So what I'm thinking, right, is if you go to simulated returns, you can see right now if I got it for this price, I would actually be in the money. I am gonna just put a price out there. Minus well. I'm gonna go back on it. 6, 7. I'm gonna go for 6. I'm gonna just do that. Might not get filled honestly right away, but if that's set at people's stop loss, when it does drop below, I will get the trade. Let's stimulate the returns. So obviously right now, estimated contract is 7.12. So if I were to get it for this discount, I would get $12 per $12 per thing. Yeah, so let's just go here. So what I'm aiming to get is 30% on my return, which that probably is a lot. But we gotta look here. Okay, so like say, all right, we're at $7. What's 30% of 7? Like that's like what, $1.80, I do believe, or it's not much. You know what I mean? So it only has to go up like a little bit, like not even this much. You know what I mean? Because we have 6, so in theory that'd be 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, 3,000. That'd be $3,000. That'd be making profit if this hits. Obviously, let's play the more realistic game. It's probably not gonna get up this high in this day. Let's say November 6th. Okay, so November 6th. See, this is like, so now November 6th, November 7th. Okay, let's just say November 8th. Like even right here, November 20th. Like that's far, and I'm pretty positive it's gonna hit this. Like it could be November 13th. Like it could even be here. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 1.2K, couple days. Let's just say it hits its previous high, which is around $209. We're talking about $1,000 profit per each contract, but this is all speculation. Obviously, this isn't gonna, you know what I mean. But if it were to get that, it would be profit all the way until it hits O. Let's just go for something a little more realistic though. So it's at $188. Let's just say like a 2.5%. Like right here. Pretty good. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1K. 1.2. So that's 1.2 right there. I'm probably going for like this. I'm trying to go for the 10.26 range. So that's what I'm going for right there. We'll see if it's or not. I can't sell today. I don't have my day trades. This is more of like a long-term call. But as you can see, it's right now, and that's what I actually want. A part of my strategy is I want it to be down pre-market. I'll actually just gotta see, because basically my plan is if it's down pre-market, I'm gonna wait until before the market closes to buy it, because if it's down, I don't want to buy it if it's gonna drop lower, because that's just gonna diminish returns for when it does go up. I'm gonna find a good price. If it stays where it's at right now, I'm just gonna buy. And yeah, I just gotta kind of see where the market trend is, and I gotta see, like, like that's my thing. I don't know. I honestly, let's just hold off on doing that. Or no, I already did the math. It should be good. That $700 price, I'm willing to pay for it. I think it'll be good. But yeah, so what we're trying to look back, what I'm trying to get back is my I lost 30% and I'm trying to make that back. Will I? Maybe not. Will I try? Yes. Um I honestly feel like this isn't a big risk. I I just canceled it, but yeah, I'm looking at that. I'm thinking about it. Also, Tesla here too. Um, I it's overpriced. For like, it's not, but it is. Like I feel like the options. Like I would have like I was in it when it was cheap. I had them for $1,500, so I'd be banking. I'm like, oh my gosh, 2,000. What, dude? That's like a quarter. That's 25% return plus, more than that, dude. Bet that because that was 7 grand back then, so that would have been like the 30% I'd be making now, plus that more. Um, but yeah, we're gonna actually check this out. Hopefully, someone will bid on it. Thanks for watching if you did watch, and have a good one. Bye.